Today, I want to look at how you can download and 3D print leather tools. 3D printing provides an opportunity to be able to quickly design a customized part in 3D and conveniently print it out at low cost. Although these parts are going to be of lower strength compared to metal, I think they can really help out your work in leathercraft, especially when it comes to creating guides and molds, as they can easily be customized exactly for what you need. These tools that I have here printed are some that I've designed myself and others that I've downloaded. The design files for all of these tools are available free to download. I have links to them in the video description, but I will talk more about that later. Now, let's have a look at how each of these printed tools work. The first 3D printed tool here is one that I designed myself using CAD. It is a simple tool used to help when installing zippers on projects. The design is very basic, and you can find similar ones online, made from mostly either wood or acrylic. I have designed the specification of the zipper guide embossed on the top, which is for a number 3 zipper and has a spacing width of 3 mm, which is a gap on each side of the zipper, for which 3 mm is a good size when working with small leather projects like wallets. The way that you use this tool is to sit it on a zipper with the slot down that centers and locks in perfectly. This makes it so the zipper is perfectly straight, and when you come to glue and stick on your leather, you will see it 3 mm off the zipper and perfectly mirrored and parallel. Once you remove the guide, you will find the zipper is perfectly centered and aligned. This guide here is for a number 3 zipper with a 3 mm offset, but of course you will be able to easily customize a guide for a different zipper size and different spacing according to your needs. This next one here is an edge painting tool which allows you to evenly apply edge paint to long edges of a project. I found this design on Thingiverse, which is an online community where people can share 3D files that can readily be printed. I will talk more about this website later on in the video. I did find a number of these edge painting tools on Thingiverse, but I decided on this one because I thought it was the most complete. This tool is a simpler version of the ones that you can buy, and one of the features that is missing is an adjustable plate that runs next to the roller, so you can choose exactly how thick you want the edge paint to be. The way to use this is to fill this small tank with your edge paint, and then fit the roller on top. Then give your roller a few test rolls with some scrap leather. Then you can roll your edge over the roller to apply the paint evenly and in one continuous application. Once you're done, you can recover as much of the paint as you can, and then clean the tool ready to use for your next project. This next printed part is a bump jig that I designed to use with my pricking irons. It has a very simple cross section with a little cutout at the bottom corner where it will sit along the edge of a leather project. I also added my branding to the top of this tool in raised lettering to personalize it, which was very simple to do in CAD. I designed and printed 2 of them with different heights, which will help them to sit flat when working with both thick and thin leather projects. To use it, I simply sit it on the edge where I want to place a stitching line, then apply my pricking irons to the top edge of the tool and punch in the stitching holes. This offsets my stitching holes so that they are centered 3 mm off the edge, without needing to mark in a stitching line. This is very helpful, especially when making holes in exotic leathers, where a stitching guideline cannot easily be marked with dividers, as the scales and depressions in the exotic leathers make any line difficult to see clearly. This last tool here is a chisel or pricking iron pull out aid. I've seen many of these pull out aids that you can get online, which are normally made from either wood or acrylic. The way that you use it is to punch in your holes as normal, and when you're ready to remove your pricking irons, you can slide this tool in and pull out the iron. This pull out aid applies pressure to the leather around the pricking irons and makes it so the leather does not stretch or disfigure the stitching hole, even if there is a lot of resistance during removal, such as with thick leather. This is a very basic type of tool that could easily be replaced by a simple wooden ruler. All of the files needed to make these leather tools here can be found on the Thingiverse website. Thingiverse is an online community of 3D printing enthusiasts where you can share and download files for all sorts of products and applications. I have made my own online profile, which I have linked to in the video description, along with the links of all these tools that I've shown here today. I've seen a lot of interesting designs for leather crafting available, such as the circular cutter, strap cutter, and even the last for a shoe. The process I used to get these tools printed was very simple. All I had to do was send the 3D design files to a local printing store, and they mailed me back the 3D printed parts. I was able to get this all done even without owning my own 3D printer. I've had a lot of fun designing these tools and being able to see them printed and use them for my work. For any others who are design-minded, I suggest you give 3D modeling a chance, as it's very easy to pick up if you're already familiar with designing in CAD. I am planning a new leather project with some emphasis on using 3D printing to create an interesting molding form, so make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss it. If you have any questions or suggestions around 3D printing, feel free to comment. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Thank you all for watching, and see you next time.